Okay, this is the review for the E-mini S&P for Monday, November 18th. So starting off here, you're looking at a 5-minute candlestick chart. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. And here is the overnight session, some of Friday. But I want to point out here, I've copied and pasted some of the comments out of the map. Here is one from Friday at 6:21 in the morning. We said if the bind is heavy, we could totally see into the 20s and really strong into the 30s. And then that was in the morning on Friday. The all-time high at that point, we had never been anywhere near 3120. At that point, we'd never certainly been this high. So then we had overnight session was 3127.75. Our price here was 27. The actual high ended up probing that by 3 ticks from what we said on Friday. We just sort of ran out of time on Friday, and we'll see that from time to time where the regular trading session runs out of time, and we see that push and that move up into the way that goes. We'll see that by the next trading session or into the Globex session. So that happens. So here's that high. Great short opportunity if you were trading on Sunday. Then this morning we said at 6:19 we're looking for a bounce to 21 or 22. This is 21. This is 22. And then 25 worst case. And then on the other side 0975. So we're buying down around 0975. The low ended up being 11. And we're selling up to the top. And then here at 7:02 this morning, we said there is a chance for some selling at 17. Not sure why that says that twice, but that is what it is. And here we have right here the high 17 quarter at 710. We said this at 7:02. So 17 all the way down to 11. There's 6 points on that move right there. Opportunity to buy here. Certainly an opportunity to buy it down here in this price. And let's turn this off. There we go. So certainly an opportunity to buy it right here. And just plenty of opportunity here. So if you're trading 17 to 11, buying this area for 16 area for up here to 21 or 22. There's another 5 or 6 points. And then nice short opportunity here up here around this 22. And you can see what did and eventually end up happening is we've sold off a little bit and we came back down into here. And we're on to tomorrow's prices, but back here into this 16 area over here. So pretty great opportunities here today for the kind of a little bit slower range bound type of day that we had, but still some great opportunities to snag 5 to 8 points on these trades depending on how many you did here. But the biggest thing that I want to say is we're not saying you should buy right here and sell right here. We're teaching a method, and then we want to teach you how to be able to read and interpret it for yourself. So we're saying here, this is there's an opportunity to sell here. We're telling you it could come down to here. This was 5 ticks away from 0975. Then we said you could buy this area, that it could potentially hold for a push higher. So really, I mean, you could look at there's 5 or 6 points here. 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 It's just how many of these do you need to do in a day? If you're doing that and you're getting 5 on these 4 different trades, that's 20 points in just one day on 4 trades. So the idea here is we actually want to teach you to think and work like a real trader. Trading belongs to the big institutional traders, not guessing. This is what we trade with. We're not using lagging indicators. We're not trying to guess what's going to happen next. We map it all out ahead of time. That's what map is for. And then we just trade what we map out. So you can go try prediction points for free for 14 days, daytradelikeapro.com, or you can sign up in the link below and you can try map for 14 days for $14. And again, the best $14 that you could spend on the internet. So there you have it, and that is today's review.